Okay, hey guys, welcome back on this new video, and today we are going to take a quick look at Windows 7 in 2021. So, as many people know, last year Windows 7 finally ended support, and it was a very sad day for some people because Windows 7 is still being used. It's pretty much everywhere, even though there's Windows 10. Like my school still has Windows 7 computers, and other people are using it. So today we're going to take a look at it. So Windows 7 was pretty much an improvement of Windows Vista that was criticized because it ran very slowly. And it was not really good at all. So Windows 7 brought back the features of Vista back, but they made them better. So one of the features that Vista had and Windows 7 used was the area transparency theme, which is absolutely beautiful. So at first it's not really notable, but what it is, I'll show you right now. Let's open a random app here. Let's make it okay. As you can see here, now this you can see that the window is kinda transparent. It's kinda hard to see with this background, but if you can see, there's a blurry version of the background there. Let's see if I can change the background to get a better example. To G team. Yes, now you can see it clearly better. Now take a look at the Windows logo. Now take a look at the window, edges of the window. Now you can see there's a blurry version of the background. This works also if you open an app with another app open, and this is really cool. And I wish Microsoft will bring something like this into Windows 10 or maybe even Windows 11. That some people saying that it will release next month, but I'm not sure about it. So let's take a look. We have our taskbar, and we have a Windows orb that has a light when you hover on it. Click it, and now you can see the start menu. We have your picture, your account settings, documents, pictures, music, games, computer, control panel, etc, etc, etc. So it works pretty much like XP. In this part it has here the most used apps, at least in the first spot, and we have other apps. Now we have now if we click on all programs, instead of having an interface like Windows XP, we have a much cleaner interface, so we can find all the programs that are get individually and all the programs that are united in folders. So in the games folder you find the games, on the like in an app folder you find the app and other tools. The accessory, you find the accessories, and these folders, like Windows XP and previous Windows operating systems, are pre-made by the system. So another thing I like about Windows 7 is that they expanded the game section. Now we have chess that was playable only online back in Windows XP, Free Cell, Games Explorer, where Space, Checkers, Minesweeper, and Purple Place, which was introduced in Vista, which like a game where you have to make cakes, solitaire, spider, solitaire, etc, etc, etc. So, uh, uh, so the control panel has kinda been redesigned slightly, as now the window is much bigger and the icons are smaller than as we saw in XP. And now we have the same settings, appearance and personalization. And as you have seen before, Windows 7 has much better personalization tool. Now you have various themes. I stole these. Now we have the aerial themes. You can have other one with and each one of them has different set of wallpapers. And now we have the basic themes that Windows 7 Classic, and this is how it's supposed to look like without any area transparency. Windows Classic, which has a more classic look, a more nostalgic look, but I prefer the area transparency theme. It looks very good and clean. Okay, let's look what else we got. Now Windows 7 introduced the super bar that has some icons that don't take way too much space. We have the icons, you can decide which ones to pin. The icon that are open appear here. Oh, my mouse is glitching out. Okay, that's fine. And now the search engine that was in XP that like with Robert the Dog now has been replaced in the start menu built in without going to go in any application. You simply type in the app you want, it appears. It's an example notepad. Here you go. And the search is much quicker and better. So, about the browsers, Internet Explorer works much better in Windows 7 than XP. But I installed Microsoft Edge, then Google Chrome, and then again SeaMonkey. And SeaMonkey, it's actually one of the best browsers for virtual machines, as I recommend. Then install Roblox to test if you can play games like that. And now we have some other tools that weren't here in Windows XP, like the magnifier, the snipping tool, that is kind of very good. Like for example, it works. You can take like a screenshot, a part of the screen. You can take a screenshot of the part of the screen. So here we go. Now you have a picture file of the image you took. You can edit it like you will do in Paint. And that's it. Now we have a media player that got a redesign. And we have other apps here. We have Windows Update, Windows DVD Maker, and Media Center, which wasn't here in XP, if I think. And also Windows Vista 7 introduced a brand new thing called Gadgets. There are some very small but still kind of useful desktop tools, like you can add a clock here without having to check the clock in the taskbar. CPU meter without going into task manager. You have accuracy, feed deadlines, and even a small puzzle if you're really bored. I don't know, maybe you're waiting for us to download. You're in the desktop and you decide to play some puzzles here. A slideshow of pictures and a weather that I don't think it really works. Yeah, it doesn't work. And a Windows Media Center. A small Windows Media Center player. So it's pretty useful. I think you can install custom ones, but I'm not really sure. Well, that's it. So the conclusion. Is Windows 7 a good operating system? Yes, and personally I think it's even better than Windows 10. And actually I will downgrade, but the only thing that is making me not do that is because then I'll probably lose my file, then it's unsupported. So this is all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye!